Starting Hello Kitty with the eyes. There are 4 key alignments. For this first one, line up the nose with the bottom of the eyes, like this. Second key alignment, the distance between the sides, eyes, the nose is the same. Follow the alignments to get her looking just right. Once the head sketch looks good, move to the outline and make a few small tweaks to sharpen her up. Line this up at the same width as the eyes. Erase whatever you need to, and the last alignment is coming up. Last alignment. For this pose, keep these parts at the same height. And there she is.